What if DJI just revealed its next big move, not with a flashy teaser, but with a quiet Amazon listing that disappeared almost instantly? That's exactly what happened with the Pocket 4, and today we're breaking down what this camera could actually mean for creators. The listing hinted at a March 2026 release, lining up with DJI's usual strategy: launch the camera along with its full ecosystem of accessories and software. That tells us the Pocket 4 isn't just a device, it's a complete tool for creators, designed to perform flawlessly out of the box. The most exciting detail? A 2.5 cm CMOS sensor, likely a 1-inch type. That's a serious step up. Bigger sensors mean better dynamic range, cleaner shadows, and more natural highlights, not just higher resolution. Video is expected at 4K up to 120 FPS, which could finally make smooth slow motion practical without overheating or stuttering. Rumors also point to a dual camera setup, a wide lens paired with a 40mm equivalent telephoto. This is huge. Optical zoom lets you frame shots tighter without losing quality, perfect for portraits, street scenes, or creative angles, far better than digital cropping. Low light seems to be a priority. Dual sensors could allow optimized performance for each lens. And the slightly larger gimbal head hints at stronger stabilization, longer focal lengths demand it. If DJI fine-tunes the motors, walking shots and subtle movement should feel smoother than ever. Visually, the Pocket 4 looks slimmer, with a more robust camera head and textured grip for durability. A small horizontal bar below the lenses may house microphones or mounts, improving audio and accessory options. Autofocus improvements and app integration should make solo shooting and sharing effortless, but reliability will matter more than flashy features. Battery life is unknown, but with dual sensors and high frame rates, expect moderate endurance. With a rumored price of $599 to $699, the Pocket 4 isn't cheap, but if the sensor, optical zoom, and low-light upgrades deliver, it could become the most practical pocketable camera for creators. So, what do you think? Would you upgrade or wait to see it in action? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and hit that bell to stay ahead of DJI leaks.